balanced diet. If you want to remain healthy and fit, you just have to take all the nutrients in a proper amount. These nutrients are not present in a single food item. So, you have to take combination of food items. A proper diet should be taken to make your body fit and free from any disease. For a healthy life, we should take a proper, balanced diet. A balanced diet is a diet that contains all the essential nutrients in a proper amount. Balanced diet changes according to the age, sex, and occupation. For example, a child needs more proteins to grow. A pregnant woman also needs more proteins for the growth of a growing baby. A man who works in a field needs more energy. For this, he needs fat and carbohydrate-rich food.